Today I'm doing a review on the SUMSATY electric bread maker. This is a really nice bread maker because not only will it make your bread for you, but it will also knead and mix all of the ingredients for you, so it's relatively mess-free and it doesn't require you making any mess. It also will do 16 different settings, so you have different types of bread that you can make. It will make yogurt for you, and you have some other options as well. The insert that the bread is made in is a really great size, and you'll see on the inside of the bread maker you have your heating element. Everything is designed very nicely and it's very easy to use. You have all of your different settings where you can set the type of bread, the size of the bread, how well you want the crust to be done. You have different options like light, medium, and dark. Bread container has a handle on it, which is easy to use, and this bread maker actually comes with an oven mitt. It's double insulated that you can use to help pull the bread out, and it also comes with some mixing options. You have this teaspoon and tablespoon measurer, and it also comes with this cup that will do cups and milliliters. I am a total noob when it comes to baking my own bread, and this is very, very easy to use. You pop in the ingredients, you have your kneading tool in the bottom, it just pops in very simply, and then all you have to do is adjust your settings. You choose what type of bread you want to make, 1 through 16, and then you can go ahead and set the color of the crust. You have light, you have medium, and you have dark on here, and then you also have the ability to set how large a loaf of bread you're making. I have a family of 4 children and 2 adults, so I usually make 1,000-gram size loaves of bread, and they are very good sized. Once you set that, it will automatically start kneading your bread for you. If it's too dry like it is here, all you have to do is add a little bit of water at a time, and it will get the dough perfect for you. Once it's done kneading, it's going to go ahead and start cooking it for you, and over time you'll see that the bread just grows on its own. I love the clear view panel that this has so that you can see what's happening at all times. It's very simple to use. And then once your bread is done, I love how easily the bread slips out of the container. I have made bread in this 3 or 4 times now, and every single time it comes out so clean. I have not had any issues with it sticking, and the bread is beautiful. It smells delicious. It's amazing. I have made wheat bread and I have made a white bread as well, both of which were delicious. You'll see on the bottom of the bread is where your kneading tool will leave a little mark in the bottom of your bread, but it's not bad. And I love how soft and fluffy this bread is. Here's my hand to kind of give you an idea of the approximate size of the bread. It is a decent sized bread, much larger than you're going to get at the store, but you can see how fluffy and like the bounce back that you get on this bread is amazing. It's doughy on the inside, and depending on what type of crust you like, you can opt for a tougher crust or a softer crust. Overall, I have been baking bread just about every day because it is so easy now, and I absolutely love all of the included recipes. They're very simple and very straightforward. Hopefully my review has helped you decide if it's the right bread maker for you or not, but I absolutely love it.